How to fix Roblox encountered on unrecoverable error. So, have you encountered a situation or problem like this? So, the very first thing to do is to simply go to your web browser, go to settings, and then here click privacy and security. Now you have to scroll down and look for third party cookies. You have to scroll down and tap the see all site data permissions. Now you just have to go to search and then type Roblox. And then all you have to do is to tap this trash bin here. Clear site data permissions. You just have to tap clear and then proceed to the next method. Now, next is you just have to go to the search bar, type run, and then type person symbol, update the person symbol, and then click OK. And then here you just have to look for or click app data and then click local. Now you have to scroll down or type R. Then you can see Roblox. All you have to do is to right click and then click delete. Okay, so the next method we have here is to simply exit this folder. Go to the search bar, go to settings, and then kindly open. Now here under settings, you just have to go to apps, tap apps, and then you just have to click installed apps and then look for Roblox. You can scroll down and look for Roblox or you can simply search it right here. Okay, type Roblox. And then here you just have to tap this three dots, any of the two here. So let me tap this one, click on install, click on install again. Okay, so after you uninstall this Roblox here, all you have to do is to exit this part and proceed to the next method. So you just have to wait as it is uninstalling and it will appear right here that the Roblox has been uninstalled. Now, next is you just have to download Roblox. You can go to roblox.com, download, or you can just simply search for Roblox download. Download Roblox, wait as it is processing. Once done, go to the search bar, type Roblox Player, and then open file location. Here, you just have to right click and then tap Properties. Now here you just have to look for compatibility and make sure that you check this disable full screen optimizations. Once done, click apply and then OK. And the very last thing to do is to restart your computer and I hope that after doing this, this issue or problem will be solved. Thank you for watching this and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.